In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Grok Ai images. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, how to write a clear prompt, and how to refine the results so you get the image you have in mind. First, open your browser and go to grok.com. Give the page a moment to load and you'll land on the main workspace. On the left side of the screen, you'll see the primary navigation. This sidebar is your home base for switching between different areas, and it's where you'll access the tool we need. Look to that left sidebar and select Chat. This opens a familiar chat interface where you can talk directly to Grok. Think of it like messaging a very visual assistant. The text box at the bottom is where you'll type what you want to see. Now write an image prompt. A prompt is simply a clear description of the picture you want Grok to create. The more specific you are, the better. Include the subject, any style or mood you prefer, and details that matter to you, like colors, lighting, or background. For example, if you want something dramatic, mention cinematic lighting or high contrast. If you have a style in mind, add terms like watercolor, 3D render, or retro poster. Clarity helps Grok translate your idea into a compelling image. As a quick example, type a glowing dragon. Short prompts work, but you can also expand it if you already have a vision, such as a glowing dragon flying over snowy mountains at dusk, cinematic lighting, highly detailed. Don't worry if it's not perfect. Your first draft just gets the ball rolling. When your prompt looks good, press enter. That sends your request to Grok. You should see a response begin to appear shortly. Rendering time can vary a bit, but the image will start to show without you needing to click anywhere else. Grok will generate immediately, presenting the image based on your prompt. Take a moment to study what you got. Ask yourself if the subject, mood, and details match what you imagined. Small wording changes can lead to big visual differences, so keep notes on what you like and what you want to tweak. You can edit or improve the image after by continuing the conversation in the same chat. Simply describe what to change, like make the dragons glow blue, add storm clouds, or increase realism and fine textures. Be as specific as possible. You can also ask for alternate versions, tighter framing, different angles, or brighter lighting. Iterate until it feels right, and you'll quickly build the exact image you envisioned.